Here's how to insert pictures in Excel that automatically size to fit. Using the Insert menu, click Insert, click Pictures. You can find this in the Illustrations section. You can select from this device, Stock Images, to browse Microsoft's images, or Online Pictures to search the web via Bing. Select a picture and click Insert. Open the size and properties. Check the option Move and Size with Cells. If you change the cell size, the picture will become bigger or smaller with it. Using a VBA code, press Alt F11. This opens the Visual Basic for Applications menu. If you inserted a picture and it isn't resizing automatically, you can use this code instead. Click Insert, click Module. A new window will open. Copy and paste the code. Press F5 to run the code and repeat this process until all the images in your sheet fit into cells. The picture will be added to the cell. It will automatically fit the current size of the cell. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.